Hello viewers, please encourage our talent and like, comment, share and subscribe the channel. You can also be a part of our art gallery. So send your artwork, art videos and any other talent videos in our mail ID and contact us in our WhatsApp number. We provide online coaching also. Thank you.
I am Vishwajit and representing Doremi. I have come up in Shantiniketan. Right now I am in Srijoni Park. You all should come over here. If you come over here, you can see a traditional of our Indian folk art. So you should come. One.
You can see so simple and nice heart that shows or represents a different type of architecture and painted with a traditional folk painting of different region, and even sculptures are also there. You definitely like this. You should visit once.
Now go and watch our video.
Here is our very easy each special drawing part 3. Go and watch part 1, part 2 video as well. So let's finish the drawing. So in our part 1 and part 2 video we have learned drawing and coloring, but in this video we will learn coloring of this figure and the land. So let's start the coloring. So this is the deep green color. So this deep green color I am using to color. There is a grass very far, very close to the masjid, and there is some flowers also. I have left the flowers green, white. I left the flower white, you can see. Now this is the closer grasses. So this will be also same of viridian green. No white space should be left. It should be covered fully. So we have colored. Now take yellow color. The light yellow means lemon yellow, whatever light yellow. Need to clean your color. Now on the top will touch the yellow on the top, so that it shows the light is coming from the top. Yellow color is very light color, so you need to clean constantly. Same will be for the front one also, closer ones also. I have used yellow color so that it shows the light is coming from the top. Now this is the Prussian blue, dark blue. This blue will apply just for the closer ones grasses. At the bottom of the closer ones grasses we are using this Prussian blue. This is dark blue, the dark one. Now we have to blend the color. So again take your viridian color. So I have told you always need to take your base color to mix the colors. So we have used, but we are not used the far. You can see we have used only for the closer ones. Okay, now take your light green color. Now start from the far. Just need to you need to leave the human figure. The color should not go inside the body of the human figure, because this is going to be our land. So look carefully, don't skip the video, watch very carefully how I'm coloring the land. So you can see that I'm coloring, and be very careful. Your light green color, if it is getting touched with the deep green branches, deep green grasses, nothing will happen. Means while you are coloring, the color should not go inside of the human body. But if it is goes in the grasses that you have colored, nothing will happen. Okay. So just be very gentle while you are coloring. Just by the side of the human figure, you have to be very gentle and very gentle and cool and calm, so that color doesn't go inside. Okay, always create a border line first, so it will be easier for you. Then you can be a little bit faster. You can see there is a flower also. You don't have to bother for the stems and leaves, but please leave the flowers white. Okay, and colors very smoothly so that no white space should be left. Okay, first you complete one side gently, then you complete the another side. So from one corner you have just keep completing. Okay, now here is there's a deep green color, so it is getting touched, so nothing will happen because both the colors are green. Grasses are deep green, but here I am using light green. Create the border. Just same formula while you are coloring. Just by human figure you have to be very gentle. so that color doesn't go inside of the drawing, inside of the human figure drawing, because there should be a different color, so you cannot erase the colors. So here I have left the flower white, so you can see how beautiful it is looking. Beautifully I have colored. Now take your yellow color. Need to clean your yellow color. This is light yellow color, and this color we will full green. We have used the green color, so on the green color we are going to use this yellow color. You can see the difference after coloring yellow. The color patches, color texture is getting more smooth. You can see I am coloring the left side, sorry, the right side. I am coloring now the right side. Now you can see the right side is looking smooth, very more smooth than left side. You can see. So what is happening when you are coloring it yellow, the white, the little bit, very little tiny white space also covered, so it looks very smooth and very blendy. Okay, so you can see all the patches are blended very nicely. It's looking very smooth. Now you can see I have taken another color. This is a viridian green color that I use for the branches. Need to clean the color, and very light. Look, this color is very lightly. You have to use this color very light, not very dark. Okay, very light, just to touch in the front. As you told, when you are coloring the grass, we use the Prussian blue color, dark blue color. Why? Because the closer things always darker. So you can see I am using this viridian green color everywhere, deep green color, but the closer ones is getting darker than far one. So you can understand I have colored just under the masjid, so that the masjid shadows are there, under the grasses shadows are there, but little bit more using for the front. Now I'm using the same base green color, means our light green color on the dark green color, so that it mix nicely. Always when you are giving any shade, use the base color on it. Now take, this is the orange color. This color you use for our door shadings, for our door. So this is the Brahman. So the Brahman is wearing the color that is called saffron color. Here I'm using orange color. It looks similar, saffron and orange. So you can see that I'm coloring this, and the hand also, there is a wearing a full hand shirt, so this will be also orange color. So you may think that hand and body is mixed. No, we have take the red color, the same color you use for the door as a shades. Here also same, orange color is the base and red color is the shades. You can see under the hand I'm giving, so that you can easily understand. And now I'm applying this orange color again on that. First red color shades, then the base color is orange color, so I'm applying on it, so that red color mix with the orange very nicely. Now take lemon yellow color. Okay, so on the top I'm giving little bit lemon yellow color, so that light yellow color, so that it shows that color is coming from the top. You can understand shading. I hope you have been able to understand how I'm coloring everything. If you can't understand, continuously watch the video. You need to repeatedly watch the video. Here I'm using, you can see gray color. Gray color I'm using at the bottom of the cap. Okay, like this, so that it shows, but upper portion I have left, I will color it white. You need to clean the color. It shows that light is coming from the top. Simple. First gray color used, then use white color very gently with the gray color also, so that it mix, the gray and white mix very gently. No line, no patches should be left. So it shows that so nicely. The cap is looking like a shading and lighting is coming, so you can see. So little bit shade you can again give. Okay, so this way you have to color. Always you have to learn the shading. Here is also I'm coloring gray color, the dress. So the lower part I'm coloring darker, but the gradually it is coming up. You can see color is getting lighter. Color is getting lighter. You can see just lighter color I'm using. The same gray color, but the lower part is dark. Why? Upper part always there is a light. You can see same dark patches I have given for the, here is dark. Also you can use as a light, dark and light. So with the one color, by pressure only you can make a difference. So also the human figure hand, you can see there is at the bottom there is a dark patches of gray color. Now take white color, clean very nicely. Now from just left the bottom part, but mix the color with the white very nicely. You can see how I'm coloring. Always constantly you have to clean your color. You can see I'm cleaning the color. White color is very dangerous color. You have to be very much careful. Okay, so so you need to constantly clean the color. So this way you have completed the gray and white combination dress. So this is the shades. Actually basically the dress is gray color, but for the light it is looking white, the upper part. Now this is speech color, means skin color for the Brahman's two hands. You can see Brahman's two hands, he's holding, hugging actually. So the two hands and the face and the neck will be peach color. Okay, but for the another man we will use different color. Now look, first peach color. So the light is coming from the left side of the top, left of the top side. So you can see the right sides I am creating orange color shades, very lightly, not very deep, okay, otherwise doesn't look good. So this way you can create the shades. Now again same, your base color peach color, mix the color, the same color you have to apply on the orange color so that it mix nicely. Now this is the base color yellow ochre we are using for the neck and the hand and also the ear, but at the back there is a hair, so you will not color this. For hair you will use brown color. No, sorry, for you will here also you will give shade with the brown color at the right side. Again take your yellow ochre color to mix the color, base color. Here also in body, for on the neck and the hand also you are using orange color. For you have forget to color the orange shades for the Brahman's body. So here for the another man, this Muslim man, his body yellow ochre and brown color shades. Now look, the hair we are coloring the full brown. You may think hair is a black color, but yes, but our basic base will be the brown color. We will not never use black color as a base. Now this is the this I'm using, this is a Prussian blue color. You can take or you can leave also. For hair we can do with the pencil. So at the end of the drawing we will use the pencil. For flower I'm using red color, some flowers I've used yellow also, pink also you can use. So very beautiful bright color you should use for the flowers. The stem will be also very just very gentle touch. We also pencil also you can do the stem. Sometimes if with the colored stems are not looking good, so you can use your 10B pencil. I will show you how I'm using. So you can see the basic coloring and shading is fully done. Now this is the time of detailing. So look, the mouth, inside the mouth I am just giving a line. You can see it is showing the teeth, but don't draw this line, you can understand. So that doesn't look good. Only give one line that shows teeth. So now you can see you have drawn the don't draw the teeth a vertical line over there. So you need to erase this. So you can understand at the inside of the mouth only give us line that shows the teeth, but don't give a small standing line. Now look, the hair coloring, be very carefully, look the watch. So hair coloring, for just you need to give a stroke with your pencil. So the look, so this way you have to give a stroke like that, then it will be looking darker. So now look, so it is now, if you see from your close you can understand it look like a hair only. Now give border. Hair should not be too dark because the light comes, so it shows the difference. Now we have already drawn, we are just clearing our drawing. So this way you have to border. Okay, while you are border, don't be hurry, be gentle enough, take your time and draw the border nicely. Now the dress, this human figure is the main of this drawing. So while you are coloring, look, so the white dress and the white dress for the Muslim and the Gerwa dress, our combination is so looking so nice. Just you have to know that using the shading, gray and white, here is orange and little red. Okay, so these are the basic things. The eyes, you can see how I'm creating all these things. Some pattern, some texture I'm creating for the Muslim this uppers, like a Punjabi is wearing like a futwa type of. So this dress, now the flower also. So this way, so after always keep this thing in mind. After drawing you need to give a border. so it looks nice. So I hope this video will be very much helpful for you. You need to understand full things. Look at your clothes, how beautiful your drawing is looking. You do practice.
If you like the video, please subscribe the channel, hit the notification bell, like, comment and share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.